Brain gone quiet, but the noise won't fade. Walking circles in a hollow haze. Ears full of whispers I never chase. Truth gets twisted in the games they play. Eyes drift sideways, never stay. Shadows moving where the light decays. Heartbeat pounding like it knows my name. Something's coming, but it won't say. So I follow the sound beyond the fear. Through the ringing in my head, I hear the birds still sing through the static sky. A fragile truth that won't deny. If the sun still burns, I'm still alive. One more breath in borrowed time. Every chart cuts through the light. Death stands close but waits in line. If the word won't speak, I'll read the signs in the Birdsong. I survive. In the Birdsong, I survive. Step by step through shifting ground. Monsters whisper, never loud. Keep my head down, don't make a sound. They lose their shape when I don't look around. Rise up, broken, fall again. Different faces, same old end. Someone stronger, someone bends. Somewhere lost between pretend. Middle ground feels out of reach. Truth is buried under me, but the birds still sing through the static sky. A fragile truth that won't deny. If the sun still burns, I'm still alive. One more breath in borrowed time. Every chart cuts through the light. Death stands close but waits in line. If the world won't speak, I'll read the signs in the Birdsong. I survive. Pain lives loud in the present tense. Love hits quick, then it disappears. Meaning hides in the in-between. In broken thoughts and silent screams. Where do I go when the path dissolves? Who do I trust when the mirror